6 months from today, there are going to be two versions of you. One finally has control over their money. The other? Still living paycheck to paycheck. Still wondering where it all went. And here's the crazy part. Both versions start from the exact same place. Right now. No raise, no lottery win, no lucky break. Just a decision. Because real financial change doesn't come from more information, it comes from execution. So if you're done just watching videos and ready to actually change something, this is your 6-month blueprint. No fluff, no complicated investing talk, just a system that works. Month 1, face reality. This is where most people quit because it's uncomfortable. You're going to open your bank app and look at everything. Every dollar in, every dollar out. No guessing, no, I think I spent around. Pull your last 2 to 3 months of statements and break it into 3 buckets. Needs, rent, groceries, bills. Wants, eating out, Amazon, subscriptions. Debt. Now here's the truth most people avoid. If you're spending more than you earn, you're not stuck. You're falling behind every single month. But this is where it changes, because now you see it. Month 2. Cut what doesn't matter. You don't need to stop living your life. This isn't about being cheap. It's about being honest. Are you paying for subscriptions you forgot about? Food delivery you didn't even enjoy? Random late-night Amazon buys? Cut those. Not because someone told you to, but because they're quietly stealing your future. Your goal this month, free up at least 10% of your income. That money is no longer extra. It's your leverage. Month 3, build a $1,000 safety net. This is where life starts to feel different, because now you're not one bad day away from stress. Your goal, save your first $1,000 emergency fund. That's it. Car repair? Covered. Unexpected bill? Handled. No panic, no credit card spiral. For the first time, you have breathing room. Month 4, automate your money. This is where things get real, because now you stop relying on discipline. Set up systems. Auto transfer to savings, auto invest every paycheck, auto pay your bills. Because here's the truth. Discipline fades. Systems don't. Even if it's $20, $50, $100, start investing. Because in the US, time in the market beats timing the market. Month 5. Fix your mindset and increase income. Most people stay broke for one reason. Their beliefs never changed. If you keep telling yourself, I'm bad with money, I'll figure it out later, I deserve this purchase, you'll stay stuck. Rewrite that. At the same time, start increasing your income. Ask for a raise, pick up a side hustle, learn a high-income skill. Because there's a limit to cutting expenses, but no limit to earning more. Month 6. Level up. Now you're not just surviving, you're building momentum. Start tracking your net worth. Set real goals. 1 year, 5 years, 10 years. And think bigger. Because now you've proven something. You're not bad with money. You were just unstructured. Final reality check. Most people watching this won't do anything. They'll feel motivated for a few minutes, then go right back to old habits. And 6 months later, same bank balance, same stress, same excuses. But a small percentage, they'll take action today. They'll open their bank app, they'll track their spending, they'll make the uncomfortable decisions, and 6 months from now, their life will look completely different. So the real question isn't, does this work? It's, will you actually do it? Because 6 months from now, you won't regret starting, but you will regret waiting.